My people for house, how una dey? This na TMC television where they knack you better information as they happen. My name na Nigo Idako, and right now I tanda for Ring Road. Based on yesterday protest, we waka enter Ring Road, we see if wetin government talk yesterday, they really dey do am. And based on the 24 hours where CSO don't give government, say if government no do something about this fare increment, they go waka come back. May you join me as I waka enter streets.
Africa. We have made our statements clear and loud. We have gone and we don't see the Commissioner of Police lead message. As soon as he called for that meeting, we inform everybody. We'll go discuss the shooter. The one way important pass when it was easy for us to achieve the war against black marketers. Like I've told you, we want to be in the committee. There will be several teams for several areas. I will expect me to address media as soon as possible. May they declare that black market is criminality. We'll push them to that extent. It's illegal and it's criminality. If we can achieve that, then the filling stations now get where they sell the black market to. They go leave for their pump. At that point, we'll continue the fight with the DPRO. We are suspending, we are not cancelling. We hope, say, with the one way the governor press release, when they make it, that press release, for me, it don't make sense. Now, Bubu Yaya, I would have expected that press. If I not be governor, talk herself. Now one person will just one right, 9 rights. If the governor make that statement, it will be more instructive, more proactive than that. We hear say by that yesterday, governor not give marching order on a new direction. But anything not like that, Abi, he say one begin they call meeting of Zigi Kuru. We want to see action. But the commissioner of police, then be the organ of security. I expect that he will match words with action. That will be our first victory. At that time, once you call any of us, please, we not will give you 2 hours notice at that time, Abi. Yes. Now, the same will come, now we'll begin to. So if we don't see action, we will recall and we'll return to the streets on the protest. We say and say that they fear the protest, they don't like them. Now they do everything to the gag us. Make we not go talk, make we not go waka, make we not go. But then we go reach, they not fit gag us again.
This one the two of the protests. When we say Edo civil society, we don't try to draw the consciousness of government to it. Now the failure of government, I need to this one, no. Normally, government is supposed to do set up committee. We know say now federal government and the supply for it. But still government is supposed to don't set up committee when we say that they call monitoring committee when we say we monitor all these activities. Now because the government not set them up, now make us come outside and say government set up this committee so that this independent and whatever they call themselves, make them know they cheat Nigerians. People they die every day. Somebody know if they make money. We know that only NAPC now they supply fuel for this country. Why some people, if one person supply the fuel and they give them, why some people they sell 190, some people they sell 800. Which means somebody is cheating something somewhere. So now make us make government come outside, make them set up committee first. That all those black marketers, make they remove them from street. If they remove black marketers, make it say now only fuel filling station that they get fuel. At the end of the day, everything will go well.
We come out, more protect for the betterment of those states and Nigeria at large. Because in the first place, Nigeria, we get oil, we're not supposed to suffer. We're supposed to buy fuel at the rate of even below that 100 naira. But now this increment, we say no to this increment. We want the state government to intervene so that may they return the fuel to the former price when they are. I think by so doing we don't achieve some results, because with what the police officials told us, they are going to intervene, that they are going to see some of the government officials and all that. We are hoping to see the price be revised back.
The matter where they grant now is struggle. We just take on one after the other. Now we don't handle the black market. Oh, now a bad fuel increment, they increase fuel. Without government said they are not aware, but private people increase them. Then they said they give black marketers. You know, if we buy for a filling station, but if you reach black market, you will see buy a liter 1,000, a liter 1,200, a liter 800. Even the filling station, so they sell 600, 500, 650 for a liter of fuel. Not good. I don't understand. If they say they want me to die, but we don't die. Oh. They say we will not do protest because we get election for hand. They value the election past protest, but we value the protest past the election. So we must protest with the comrades in Benin. So we have come together. And with that street, we don't fight black market seriously now. If we can able to stop black markets, at least we have achieved one of the objectives of this protest.
Suffer done too much. Some people have never come out today because of waiting, the price of fuel. Some people have never even cooked today because money not there to enter transport, go market. So we don't go meet those when they be said then they in charge. So that they go put eye for inside this matter, because the matter don't be like water we pass Gary. You know, say when water don't pass Gary, they not they see anything for the bottom. Now so the matter take be. So we, the movement, we will be say we be members of those civil society organizations. We don't go around. We don't go to the offices of those where they in concern. We don't let them know, say, this matter, they need to settle them. Fuel need to filling station. Black market need to stop because now there be our problem. No fuel for station, but they see them for street, they buy. How manage? So this one are the main problem we make them. You see, say, if you look around and you say road everywhere, they're scanty. Why? Because waiting, no fuel. Vehicles don't park. The problem don't tie rapper. So now be our mission today.
The protest that we called the protest we started yesterday. Later in the evening we see press conference by governor, but it not relate to the matter properly. They just relate to them on the surface. We don't want governor they relate on the issue on surface. We want to see action. By yesterday, we expect by now they don't clamp down on all black marketers. But now, nothing will happen. It shows say even the governor not sent. Now make us come out again today. The issue never change. Pump price officially now 165 naira. Against what we see now at 700, our black market will enter 1,100. We say we not agree. We reject all of that. We demand say make it be as it's supposed to be. There is a department called DPRO, Department of Petroleum Regulation. They did those states. And we get governor for these states. We get commissioner of police. They're supposed to don't call that DPRO to order. To make sure, say, the pump price, it be normal price, and if petrol they reach filling station, not person like people jerry can and gallon go there as black market. But again, all of those actions we never see. So today, we choose to go meet the commissioner of police. Because yesterday we go to the DPRO office. We go see commissioner of police today. Make go tell and say, in case you forget the responsibility, we go remind them. Say, person where carry wood, where get insects, enter house. Now they invite lizard, they enter house. So make the thing not escalate. It can't be like NSAS. They're going to say, I don't use head, not the house. Our head, the house. Now just them, when supposed to fix the responsibility, refuse to fix their responsibility. I want them to begin to fix their responsibility. Now our position be that. So we don't go Commissioner of Police, Commissioner of Police, Edo State, CP, Dankwara. Though we not meet time, we meet the AC Ops or OC Ops, the one they call Ops. Now you don't hear his name now, James Chu. He's saying we'll communicate our issue to the CP, so we'll wait for their call later so that we can know what to do next. But officially, we don't declare war. Civil society don't declare war against black marketers. We will fight them. We no matter the amount of money they get, or their connections, or their strength, we will fight them to a standstill. Black market cannot continue in Edo State.